HDI FG-XR6 Big Flow Air Filter Kit is designed for standard or highly modified FG XR6. The HDI FG-XR6 Big Flow Air Filter Kit is made of a high-strength aluminium plate, not mild steel, with powder-coated black finishing in an OEM appearance to insulate hot air from the engine to the huge dual inlet high-flow air filter. The HDI FG-XR6 Big Flow Air Filter Kit is strong, rust-resistant, yet very lightweight. The air filter to the turbo hose is made from one complete high-quality silicone hose to provide smoother inlet internal surface area, yet easy to fit. Moreover, the special designed silicone hose providing more flexibility between engine and the air filter, which minimising possible rattle noise if long aluminium pipe were used. Installation. Minimum tools is required to install, in average 20 to 30 minutes. HDI FG-XR6 Big Flow Air Filter Kit features shorter distance from air filter to the turbo. Minimal tools required from installation. All parts included easy to fit. High flow dual inlet high quality filter included. Works with most aftermarket modifications, works with HDI and most aftermarket intercooler kit. HDI FG-XR6 Big Flow Air Filter Kit works perfect with the HDI FG-XR6 Battery Relocation Kit. The HDI FG-XR6 Battery Relocation Kit is designed for highly modified FG-XR6 to adopt the HDI Larger Flow Cold Air Intake Kit. HDI FG-XR6 Battery Relocation Kit is strong, rust-resistant, yet very lightweight. The kit also comes with CNC machined T6061 billet battery mounting bracket. Works perfect with the factory standard battery. It comes with high current, high quality battery cables. Check out our package deal. For more information, please visit fgpower.com. HDI Design, Test and Manufacture.